7 amazing health benefits of eating cantaloupe. Sugar melon. The humble cantaloupe may not get as much respect as other fruits, but it should. This tasty, although odd-looking, melon is packed with nutrients. If you don't think about nabbing a cantaloupe each time you hit your grocery store's produce section, read on to learn why you may want to think again. Adding fruit of any kind to your diet is beneficial. Cantaloupe, a variety of muskmelon, is a particularly good choice. 1. Fiber.
The health benefits of fiber go beyond preventing constipation. A high-fiber diet may reduce your risk of heart disease and diabetes, help you lose weight by making you feel fuller longer.
2. Beta-carotene.
When it comes to beta-carotene, cantaloupe knocks other yellow-orange fruits out of the park. According to the United States Department of Agriculture USDA trusted source, cantaloupe has more beta-carotene than apricots, grapefruit, oranges, peaches, tangerines, nectarines, mangoes. Beta-carotene is a type of carotenoid. Carotenoids are pigments that give fruits and vegetables their bright colors. Once eaten, beta-carotene is either converted into vitamin A or acts as a powerful antioxidant to help fight free radicals that attack cells in your body. Vitamin A is important to eye health, healthy red blood cells, a healthy immune system.
3. Vitamin C.
According to the ESTA trusted source, 1 cup of boiled cantaloupe contains over 100% of the recommended daily value DV of vitamin C. According to the Mayo Clinic, vitamin C is involved in the production of blood vessels, cartilage, muscle, collagen in bones. More research is needed on vitamin C to prove its effectiveness against diseases like asthma, cancer, diabetes. However, eating vitamin C-rich foods may help reduce how long your symptoms last the next time you have the common cold.
4. Folate.
Folate is also known as vitamin B9. Folate is the term used when it's naturally present in foods. Folic acid is the term used for supplements and fortified foods. Folate is well known for preventing neural tube birth defects like spinal bifida. It may also help reduce the risk of some cancers, address memory loss due to aging, although more research is needed. When it comes to cancer, folate may be a double-edged sword. According to a closer look at studies on the vitamin published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, folate may offer protection in early cancers and in people with a folate deficiency. However, vitamin B9 in high doses, such as excessive supplementation, may stimulate or worsen later-stage cancers. According to the Mayo Clinic, pregnant women and women of Childbearing age need to consume 400 to 600 micrograms of folate daily. Males over age 13 should consume 400 micrograms. 2 cups of boiled cantaloupe have 74 micrograms of folate, or around 19% of the daily value.
5. Water.
Like most fruits, cantaloupe has high water content at almost 90%. Eating cantaloupe helps you stay hydrated throughout the day, which is important for heart health. When you're hydrated, your heart doesn't have to work as hard to pump blood. Good hydration also supports digestion, healthy kidneys, a healthy blood pressure. Mild dehydration may cause dizziness, headache, less urination, dry skin, dry mouth. Severe cases may be constipation, serious, and lead to rapid heart rate, confusion, low blood pressure, shriveled skin, unconsciousness. Dehydration is also a risk factor for developing kidney stones. Plain water is your best bet for staying hydrated. Eating water-rich fruits like cantaloupe can also help.
6. Potassium.
1 wedge of a medium-sized cantaloupe provides 4% interested source of your potassium daily value. Potassium is an essential electrolyte mineral. According to the American Heart Association trusted source, potassium helps keep the right water balance between cells and body fluids. Potassium is also vital to nerve health and proper muscle contraction. Eating a potassium-rich snack like cantaloupe after exercise helps replenish depleted electrolytes.
7. Other vitamins and minerals. Other vitamins and minerals.
Including vitamin K, niacin, choline, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, copper, manganese. These healthy benefits make cantaloupe a well-rounded, nutritious fruit choice.
If you like the video, kindly please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more videos and updates. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.